What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out my video. Today I want to talk about using Handbrake command line. I use this a lot for my Plex videos and even some YouTube videos. So there's a couple of things you're going to need. First thing you'll want to go do is go and download Handbrake command line, and I'll put this link in the description so you don't have to worry about that. So go ahead and just download if you got Windows, Mac, or Ubuntu or Linux, whatever you got. And what you're going to end up with is a file. You want to extract that file, and you'll end up with this application. And then the next thing you'll want to do is copy this little script. Now I cannot take credit for this script. I didn't write the whole thing. I found it in a forum, a Plex forum. I'll also link that in the description. But I did modify it, the argument list down here, to kind of meet my needs. So what you want to do is download this, or sorry, copy this into let's say like a notepad, whatever you want, and save it. You can copy this whole script and paste it into PowerShell. Paste it into PowerShell if you want to just do one run to convert a bunch of video files. But what I would recommend doing is saving it somewhere as a .ps1 file. So go ahead and save that. But you can see here I already did that. This is what you're going to end up with. And if you want to make changes, which everybody's got their different needs, just go ahead, right click, edit that file, and it's going to open up in Windows PowerShell ISE. And I like this. You can use Notepad++ or whatever text editor you prefer. Open it up and you can make changes to whatever you want. Mostly if you're new to PowerShell or don't know a whole lot about it, what you're going to probably want to focus on is this line here. And that is all the different arguments. That is what the different settings and stuff that Handbrake is going to go through your video and convert it to whatever you tell it to. So you can you can change this from MP4 to MKV if that's what you prefer. I'm going to leave mine MP4. And there's tons of different arguments that you can do for that, and that's just how I have it set up. That's what I like my video files to be. But here you can I'll also link this in the description, but you can read through this. There are just tons of arguments that you can put in there to have your video files come out a certain way, however you like them when they go through Handbrake to compress them or whoops. So anyway, so after you got your script the way you want it, what you want to do is come back to this file and say run with PowerShell. And it's going to open up and it's going to ask you for the path of the videos that you want to convert. And let's see, let's do some of my YouTube videos here. All my YouTube videos actually. I won't actually run it, but so you'll just copy the path, paste it in there, hit enter, and it will go and do its thing. Go and run through Handbrake and convert it to whatever you have it set to. There is one other thing you might want to look out for, and that is this line right here that says remove item. And what that's going to do is it's going to delete the old file so that you're just left with the new converted file. But if you don't want to do that, you can just delete it, or put a little pound symbol or the number symbol in front of it, and that's just going to comment that out, so it's not going to run through that piece. But let's go ahead. I'll put that back. So those are the two things to look out for. If you know PowerShell, you can go through or read up on all the different things to modify this. Like I said, I did not write this myself. I just changed to what I like. I changed some of this stuff right here to how I like it. So anyway, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them. I'll try and help you out the best I can. I'm not a huge PowerShell guru, but I know a little bit. So go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll try and help you out. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.